What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about your driver assistance warning issues in a Ford Escape or Ford Corsair. Let's go ahead and check it out. At the end, we'll go over the price and I'll go through the official Ford PDF document. We'll check it out. Let's do it.
If your Ford Escape is experiencing pre-collision assist faults, stop replacing the expensive windshield camera modules. There is a hidden failure inside the gateway communication software that will disable your driver assistance systems. This severe network communication software glitch will cost you a fortune if you don't catch it right now. I will reveal exactly what is physically clashing inside your vehicle's high-speed network buses during our discussion. I will also walk you through the entire step-by-step physical module programming and camera alignment process very clearly. Finally, I will break down the exact final repair bill at the very end of our talk. This expensive problem usually begins with multiple terrifying driver assistance warning messages appearing suddenly on your dashboard. You will notice your center display showing lane keeping and adaptive cruise control system faults. The instrument cluster will also display prominent warnings indicating that your pre-collision assist feature is completely unavailable. Strangely, multiple advanced features like automatic emergency braking and traffic sign recognition will disable themselves. This appears to affect several models from 2023 through 2026, including the popular Ford Escape crossover. This issue specifically targets newer compact SUV platforms equipped with advanced driver assistance system camera arrays. The root cause of this sudden safety feature failure involves a software timing desynchronization inside gateway. Your modern crossover vehicle relies on a highly complex high-speed controller area network bus system, the windshield-mounted image processing module. A processes crucial optical camera telemetry data continuously during operation. Unfortunately, the high-speed Ethernet communication lines experience periodic packet collisions and high-frequency network current noise. These timing conflicts cause the primary driver assistance computer to enter a protective network shutdown state. The module freezes its main processor, refusing to transmit telemetry signals to other vehicle modules. Because the vehicle's central gateway suddenly loses connection with the camera, multiple safety networks crash today. This logical communication failure easily tricks general mechanics into playing the highly expensive parts canon. Because they see lost communication codes, they immediately assume the windshield camera module is physically broken. They waste thousands of dollars replacing perfectly healthy windshield camera assemblies, bumper radar units, and glass. Replacing healthy hardware will not resolve this because the timing desynchronization glitch remains inside the software. The brand new camera module will quickly freeze and trigger the same dashboard warnings tomorrow. Installing standard parts without flashing updated calibration software is a massive waste of time and money. You must update the core network software to permanently prevent these packet collisions from happening. When you scan the vehicle with a professional diagnostic scan tool, you will find active codes. You may notice multiple lost communication diagnostic trouble codes stored inside your powertrain control module today. You will find codes like U0104 and U023A stored in memory today. These codes point directly toward a lack of communication with the image processing module. You may also find U0415 indicating that invalid data was received from the ABS module. The computers trigger these alarms because they cannot confirm the camera's active line-of-sight status. The reference number for this safety system software update is Technical Service Bulletin 252479. This document specifies that you must recover the camera module and flash updated network software. You do not need to buy a complete replacement windshield camera assembly to resolve this. Let us walk through the exact physical process required to flash your modules and align camera. First, you must place your modern compact vehicle securely on a flat and level workshop surface. Connect a professional battery maintainer to the 12-volt battery terminals under the hood. Maintaining a steady 13.5 volts is critical to prevent computer crashes during programming. Now, connect your diagnostic pass-through cable to the OBD2 port under the driver's dashboard today. Launch the Ford Diagnosis and Repair System software on your laptop and run a network test. If the image processing module fails to communicate, run the specialized module recovery application. This recovery application will restore the module's bootloader so it can accept new software calibrations today. Next, download and install the latest revised software calibration for the image processing module. The updated calibration software contains crucial network timing patches to prevent high-frequency packet collisions. You must also reprogram the central gateway module and body control module to ensure full network synchronization. Once all computer programming is complete, you must perform the physical windshield camera alignment procedure. Disconnect the diagnostic laptop and drive the vehicle onto a smooth road with clear lane markings. Launch the camera alignment application in FDRS and drive at speeds above 40 miles per hour. Maintain a steady speed for 10 to 15 minutes until the calibration progress bar reaches 100%. The optical sensor will successfully calibrate to the road boundaries, restoring all driver assist features. Clear all stored diagnostic trouble codes and perform a final test to verify system operation. This complete software repair ensures your advanced safety features remain fully operational without any future crashes. Now, your pre-collision assist and lane-keeping systems will function perfectly under all driving conditions. Many modern compact crossover owners on internet forums have shared their stressful experiences with these codes. Some drivers had their cruise control systems shut off suddenly while driving in heavy highway traffic today. Others spent hundreds of dollars on diagnostic fees before learning about this official technical service bulletin. They felt extremely relieved to learn that a simple software update could permanently restore their assist systems. Now, let us discuss the financial details of this repair, starting with the physical component replacement. If you follow the incorrect repair advice, you will face some extremely high out-of-pocket costs. Replacing an image processing module camera or a front bumper radar sensor is a massive burden. If you purchase a brand new factory camera assembly, the hardware cost is very high. You will also have to pay a certified dealer technician to complete the complex alignment work. This work requires specialized network diagnostic software, battery maintainer hookups, and professional on-road calibration labor. This can turn a simple 30-minute software update into a highly expensive physical replacement bill today. Let us break down the exact costs you can expect to pay for this professional service. Fortunately, if your compact crossover is within the correct factory limits, this entire repair is free. Your local dealership will perform the diagnostic scan, module recovery, software updates, and alignment for zero cost. If you pay out of pocket, you do not need to purchase any new physical parts. An independent repair shop will charge you about $150 for the diagnostic labor. This brings your total independent shop estimate to around $170 for complete service today. The maximum price at a local shop should not exceed $220 with diagnostics. Having an authorized dealership handle the entire diagnostic and software flashing process is the most expensive option. Dealers use factory flat-rate labor scales and charge more for standard high-speed bus diagnostic procedures. A typical dealership estimate for this complete physical replacement service starts at $240. The total price can easily reach $352 if they perform extensive network diagnostics. This is a significant expense for a problem caused by a simple factory software timing desynchronization mistake. Fortunately, understanding this official technical service bulletin helps you protect your vehicle and your hard-earned money. Have you ever experienced your vehicle's safety assist system suddenly failing or showing warning messages? Please share your story in the comments section below, and do not forget to subscribe.
That is our little video. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our PDF file. Is it going to load today? Dun dun dun. That's gonna be a yes. Loaded. Let's go. Alright, technical service bulletin. Various assistant features, warning messages display in the IPC, various invalid data loss communications. And this applies to 2023 through 2025 Ford Escape, 2023 through 2025 Corsair. Let's see what we got here. So blind spot system fault, cross traffic system fault, front camera fault, service required, pre-collision assist not available. I'm gonna scroll through this for you guys. You can pause and look at it. Oh, that's something useful to know, the labor time. It says identify minor feature code, perform IPMA self-test, follow the service procedure to establish connectivity. Do not use with any other labor operations. So the diagnosis itself for this is 1.7 hours. So what's that, like really like $200, $250 probably for a diagnosis for this particular problem. Let's see. Oh, service procedure. I'm not going to read all these little steps, but you can pause and you're welcome to read them. Is there any pertinent DTCs? That's it. That's all we got. So there you go. That's what Ford said officially. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.